Sharon. It is reconnected again. It is reconnected. पूरा अपना कनेक्टिविटी पूरा गया, कट कर गया। कौन से पे तो 5G पे है क्या? एडमिट और ये अपना आवाज क्यों बंद होना है? अपन बंद करके चालू करना पड़ेगा। मत 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 डू दैट। ये हिंदी OBS जाएगा। डोंट डू दैट। मत करना, बंद करके वापस चालू करेगा। someone will go to the host, don't worry. करके देख, ये देख, एंड कर सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते, किसी को होस्ट बना, कॉल करके वो उधर से कर देगा। सर्च कर,
पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा श्वशुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयान् सर्वान् बन्धूनवस्थितान् कृपया परयाविष्टो विषीदन्निदमब्रवीत्। अर्जुन उवाच दृष्ट्वेमं स्वजनं कृष्णं ययोत्सं समुपस्थितं सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यति वेपतश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते अङ्गीवं संसते हस्तात् चैव परिदह्यते न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुं प्रमदीव च मे मनः निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशव न च श्रेयोऽनुपश्यामि हत्वा स्वजनमाहवे न काङ्क्षे विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि किं नो राज्येन गोविन्द किं भोगैर्जीवितेन वा येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितं नो राज्यं भोगा सुखानि च तैनेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणां त्यक्त्वा धनानि च एतान्न हन्तुमिच्छामि न तोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतो किं नु मही कृते निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान् का प्रीति स्यात् जनार्दन पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैतानाततायिन तस्मान्नार्ह वयं हन्तुं धार्तराष्ट्रान् स्वबन्धवान् स्वजनं हि कथं हत्वा सुखिनः स्याम माधव यद्यप्येते न पश्यन्ति लोकोपहत चेतसा कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं मित्रद्रोहे च पातकं कथं न ज्ञेयमस्माभिः पापादस्मान्निवर्तितुं कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं पश्यद्भिर्जनार्दन कुलक्षये प्रणश्यन्ति कुलधर्मा सनातना धर्मे नष्टे कुलं कृष्णम् अधर्मोऽपि प्रवर्त्यता अधर्माष्णा प्रयुष्यन्ति कुलस्त्रियां स्त्रीषु दुष्टासु जायते वर्णशङ्करा नरो नरकायैव कुलज्ञानां कुलस्य च पठन्ति पितरो ह्येषां युक्तपिण्डोदकक्रियां दोषरेतेर्कुलज्ञानां वर्णशङ्करकारकै उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्मा कुलधर्मश्च शाश्वता उत्सन्नकुलधर्माणां मनुष्याणां जनार्दनां नरके नियतं वासो भवतीत्यनुशुश्रमा अहो बद्धमहत्पापं कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयं पित्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुम् उद्यता यदि मामप्रतीकारम् अशस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणया धातराष्ट्रादने हन्यो तन्मे क्षेमतरं भवेत् अनुवाच एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः सङ्ख्ये रतोपस्थोपाविशत् विसृज्य सशरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसा हरि ओम् ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे अर्जुनविषादयोगो नाम प्रथमोऽध्यायः। Can I continue?
Yeah.
अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः। अर्जुन उवाच एवं सततयुक्ता ये भक्तास्त्वं पर्युपासते यक्षरमव्यक्तं तेषां के योगवित्तमा। श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यावेशमनो ये मां नित्ययुक्तौ उपासते श्रद्धया परयोपेता ते मे युक्ततमा मता। एतक्षरमनिर्देशम् अव्यक्तं पर्युपासते सर्वत्र गमचिन्त्यं च कूटस्थमचलं ध्रुवं सन्नियम्येन्द्रियग्रामं सर्वत्र समबुद्धयः ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रताः। क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखं देहवद्भिरवाप्यते ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्परा अनन्येनैव योगेन मम ध्यायन्त उपासते तेषामहं समुद्धाता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पाता मय्यावेशितचेतसां मय्येव मन आदस्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशय अत चित्तं समादातुं न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यसायोगेन ततो मा विचाप्तुं धनञ्जयः अभ्यासेन समर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि अतैतदप्यशक्तोऽसि कर्तुं मद्योगमाश्रिता सर्वकर्मफलत्यागं ततः कुरु यथात्मवान् श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानध्यानं विशिष्यते ज्ञानात् कर्मफलत्यागात् न द्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखक्षमी सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यथात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः यस्मान्नो द्विजते लोको लोकानो द्विजते च यः हर्षमर्षभयोद्वेगै मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः अनपेक्षशुचिर्दक्षः उदासीनो गतव्यतः सर्वारम्भपरित्यागी तो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभाशुभपरित्यागी भक्तिमान्य समे प्रिया समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः न सुखदुःखेषु समसङ्गविवर्जिता तुल्यस्तुते मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरं मति भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरा ये तु धर्मामृतमिदं यत्तोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्धानमत्परमा भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रिया हरि ओम ओम तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे भक्तियोगो नाम द्वादशोऽध्यायः। अथ पञ्चदशोऽध्यायः। श्रीभगवानुवाच ऊर्ध्वमूलमदशाकम् अश्वत्थं प्राहुरव्ययम् छन्दांसि यस्य पर्णानि यस्तं वेद स वेदवित् अधश्चूर्ध्वं प्रसृतास्तस्य शाखा गुणप्रवृद्धा विषयप्रबाला अधश्च मूलाननुसन्ततानि कर्मानुबन्धीनि मनुष्यलोके न रूपमस्येह ततोपलभ्यते नान्तो न चादिर्न च सम्प्रतिष्ठा अश्वत्थमेनं सुविरूढमूलम् असङ्गशस्त्रेण दृढेन चित्वा ततः पदं तत्परिमार्गितव्यं यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूया तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये यतः प्रवृत्ति प्रसृता पुराणी निर्माणमोहाजितसङ्गदोषा अध्यात्मनित्या विनिवृत्तकामा द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्ता सुखदुःखसञ्चे गच्छन्त्यमूढा पदमव्ययं तत् न तद्भासयते सूर्यो न शशाको न पावका यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम ममैवांशो जीवलोके जीवभूतसनातना मनःषष्ठानीन्द्रियाणि प्रकृतिस्थानि कर्षति शरीरं यदवाप्नोति यच्चाप्युत्क्रामतीश्वर गृहीतैतानि संयाति वायुर्गन्धानि वाशयात् रुद्रं चक्षुस्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणमेव च अधिष्ठाय मनश्चायं विषयानुपसेवते उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि पुञ्जानं वा गुणान्वितं विमूढानानुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषा यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं पश्यन्त्यात्मानवस्थितं यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो नैनं पश्यन्त्यचेतसा यदादित्यगतं तेजो जगद्भासयतेऽखिलं यच्चन्द्रमसि यच्चाग्नौ तत्तेजो विद्धि मामकं गामावेश्य च भूतानि धारयाम्यहमोजसा पुष्णामि चौषधी सर्वा सोमो भूत्वा रसात्मका अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनां देहमाश्रिता प्राणापानसमायुक्ता पचामन्यं चतुर्विधं सर्वस्य चाहं हृदि सन्निविष्टो मत्तज्ज्ञानमपोहनं च वेदैश्च सर्वैरहमेव वेद्यो वेदान्तकृद्वेत्तविदेह चाहं द्वाविमौ पुरुषौ लोके क्षरक्षाक्षर एव च क्षरः सर्वाणि भूतानि कूटस्थोऽक्षर उच्यते उत्तमः पुरुषस्तन्यः परमात्मेतु दावृता यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य विवर्तव्य ईश्वरा यस्माक्षरमतीतोऽहम् अक्षरादपि चोत्तमः अतोऽस्मि लोके वेदे च प्रथितः पुरुषोत्तमः यो मामेवमसम्मूढो जानाति पुरुषोत्तमं स सर्ववेद् भजति मां सर्वभावेन भारत इति गुह्यतमं शास्त्रम् इदमुक्तं मया नघ एतद् बुद्ध्वा बुद्धिमान् स्यात् कृतकृत्यश्च भारत हरि ओम ओम तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे पुरुषोत्तमयोगो नाम पञ्चदशोऽध्यायः। सर्वत्र गोविन्दनामसंकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्द। सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णोपदम् अवाप्नोति फलशोकादिवर्जितः। गीताध्ययनशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्धिः पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च मलनिर्मोचनं पुंसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृद्गीतां पसिस्नानं संसारमलनाशनं। गीता सुगीता गर्तव्या किमनैशास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य पद्माधिनिश्रिता परतामृत सर्वस्वं विष्णोर्वक्त्रादिनिश्रितं। गीता गङ्गोदकं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते। सर्वोपनिषदोर्गावोर्गीता गोपालनन्दना पार्थो वत्ससुधीर्भोक्ता दोक्तं गीतामृतं महत्। एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्रगीतम् एको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव एको मन्त्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव। सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्द। बिभ्रत्वेनं जठरपदयो शृङ्गगीते च कक्षे वामे प्राणौ मसृणकपलं तत्फलानङ्गुलीषु तिष्ठन्मध्ये सपरि सुहृदो आशयन्नर्मभि स्वै स्वर्गे लोके विशति बुभुजे यज्ञभोग बालखेली। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्द। नमस्ते।
हरि ओम। So we had a very enlightening session by our little Naivedya. This is actually a Naivedya to us. This is actually a Naivedya to us. It is a prasadam to us. Naivedya to the God and prasadam to us. Lots of Ashirvadams and blessings. Continue this throughout life. This is the only thing which is going to keep you happy. This is my personal blessings to you. I'm very sure all the others who have been listening will only be praying that only good should happen to you. Very nice. Very nicely you chanted. Yeah? Madhu sir, you
Yes,
please
sir.
take the honors.
Yeah.
I missed out to tell about her Bharatnatyam.
Okay, not an issue.
Please go ahead, and everyone needs to know about her laurels.
Yeah. So, in fact, I am also speechless, actually, after listening to her chanting. It's completely now speechless. I don't know what to say. The last month, exactly in the first week of May, when Sri Rajesh Iyer proposed us, for having a virtual meet, puja. We never thought that it is going to continue and it's going to be a regular weekly affair. and find a place in our annual center. But today, friends, we just concluded our 7th weekly program, satsang program, and we all have now witnessed. And today it's a very, I tell you, the important milestone for us, and it's also our own little girl, child from our group, Nivedya, chanting, such a beautiful chanting, such fluently chanting, and we also experienced the spiritual knowledge. We all say, always that parents have also a very important role shaping a child, and our little Nivedya is a standing example for that. The entire credit goes to their parents and grandparents, and a very big salute to Praveen and Dimple, and also her guru, grandmother, Leda Chechi, who's really guiding and leading her to the journey in her spiritual journey. So God bless you, beta. And we will see you one day, giving us a complete Sampurna Narayaniyam. I know you already done that. The last week, just for the others' information, she had done in February for Vashi Samajam. She had done the full days Narayaniyam. And she is an all-rounder. I'm telling you, I know her very, very personally. I know her, and she is a good dancer. She is learning Bharatanatyam. She is learning Kuchipudi. She is learning classical Western dance. Yeah, Western dance. She is also learning drawing, chess. Then what not? I don't know. And even Carnatic music, cooking class. Yeah, cooking class. Somebody was telling me, cooking class also. She's a good cook. Yeah. And also, she's a good student. Good. She's excellent. Always excellent in studies. Yeah. And all this happening because of proper grooming by her parents and grandparents. A big salute to them, especially. Yeah. So thank you so much. Yeah. And and also we had a very good bhajan session. Excellent performance, and the way they are the well connected, well practiced, good. We never felt that it's a Zoom. They are performing on Zoom actually. And my special thanks to Arun Kumar. Arun Kumar is of course a part of us. And when I requested Arun also is part of Satya Sai Seva organization. And when I requested him, immediately he obliged me, by talking to these people and the youth wing, and they agreed to participate. So Arun, a special thanks to you. And on behalf of Hirandani Estate, Ayyappa Puja, and our committee members, our president, Mr. Balakrishnan, Mr. Jayaprakash Menon, treasurer, on the trustees, Mr. Devi Shankar, and all on behalf, please convey our special thanks and gratitude to Satya Sai, the youth wing of Satya Sai Seva. Yeah, and definitely we will have another session. I'm hoping to we'll have another good session also very soon. Yeah, and one more thing I would like to mention here. The really inspired by our little girl Nivedya. We are thinking of, with our suggestion actually, conducting a Gita class exclusively for children. I think her case is definitely should be an inspiration to all of us. I'm sure, and we have a very good resource also. When we requested Rajesh Iyer immediately agreed that, of course, he is already conducting various classes, and if we have good number of students, then he has, happily agreed to have a separate session for them. So please let us know whoever are interested. Based on the number of students participations, we can decide whether we should have a separate class or they can directly join Rajesh Iyengar's on. Yeah. So we will continue to have this kind of every week. We will introduce different level of format and experiencing the divine engagement. So we will continue to do so, and that's all happening because of the participation of all the devotees. You are our strength. That is why we are able to do every week something new and giving a new experience to all of you. Yeah. So thank you so much, Swami Sharanamayyappa.
I have one question for Nivedya.
Yeah.
How do you manage to do all this? Everyone says we don't have time. How do you get the time?
In the vacations, my grandmother teaches.
Correct. So actually grandmother is teaching others, right? Or grandmother teaches only you?
Only me.
Very
Only here.
Oh, very good. So you
Yeah.
spend time with grandmother to learn this.
Yes.
Very nice. You know, I'm reminded of my childhood. When I was of your age, I used to be with my grandfather, and he used to be teaching, and I just learnt it like that. He has never sat and taught me. So it is just the environment where the children are put and they will learn it. So my humble request to parents are just give them the environment, they will pick it up. You don't have to do anything else. Don't stop them, give them the right environment. And once these are the seeds which are put in, believe me, it will be useful when they go more than 30-35 years after that. The impact of it is tremendously different. That culture, that value is sitting in like a seed and it will flourish out much later. This is very important for all of us, for our next generation and generations to come. And this has been the age old way how the values and traditions have been passed. So there is no other new way. It is just not to stop the children, just allow them to learn what they want, take them, expose them to all these things, automatically they will learn it. Don't, it's some time which is required by the parents to give the children. And thank you very much. You've taken me to my childhood. Yeah, thank you, Nivedya. Swami Sharanamappa.
Thank you, sir.
I am waiting when you will be ready to learn from me. One day I wish to teach you also.
I'm already ready, sir.
No problem. So join the class, learn, and you should learn more and more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Okay.
Yeah. So we'll stop the session today. And
Yeah.
one request is if there is any other performances, just come, reach out to us. We have so many weeks to go. Please come, children, elders, whatever you know, whatever talent you have, whatever knowledge you have, what you can share, please come down. We will work it out. But it should be on the spiritual line. It should be on the religious, more of a spiritual, more of a satsanga, so that we have a very nice 1 hour session every Saturday. Welcome all of y'all, elders, youngsters, old people. Please do come and give us a chance to showcase your talent in this platform. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening. Tomorrow is Grahanam. Take care and be very careful. Do some nice satsanga and then let us meet next Saturday now. Swami Sharanamayyappa. Swami
Sharanam.
I will end the session now.